Good morning, ma'am, sir. Good long look at this glass of water. Can you guess how old it is? The water in the glass may have fallen from the sky as rain just last week or must be poured through the tap in your kitchen. But truthfully speaking, it is as old as the earth itself. When the first fish swam in the ocean, this glass of water was a part of that ocean. When brontosaurus walked through the lakes feeding on the plants, this glass of water was a part of those lakes. When kings and princes, knights and squirrels took a drink from their wells, this glass of water was a part of those wells. Oh, but how is it so? This can be proved through the process of water cycle.